Welcome to Techie Creators. In this video, you will learn three commands: commit, rollback, and save point. These are basically TCL commands. First is commit. Commit is used to save or store changes permanently in the database. What happens is if we do some DML operations like insertion or updation in a table, those changes are not permanently saved or stored in a database until the current session is closed. So we have to do commit after the DML operations to save or store changes permanently in the database. Now we will see practically how it works. This is the student table here, and in this table there are 4 records. Now we will do some updation here. Update student set city equal to Delhi, where ID is equal to 1. I am changing the city here. One row updated. You can see city has changed now. Now these changes are not permanently stored in the database. To store these changes, what we have to do is we have to commit. Now write commit and then semicolon. We will run this. Now these changes are permanently stored in the database. Now we will see next command, that is rollback. Rollback command is used to undo the transactions. But immediately after commit, we cannot do rollback or undo because commit saved the transaction permanently. Now we will see how it works. Here I am updating a row. Update student set city is equals to Pune, where ID equals to 1. Now you can see one row updated. Now we will see the table. You can see city has changed now. Now we will use rollback command to roll back the transaction. Rollback semicolon. Now we will run this. You can see rollback complete. Now you can see it reverts the changes that is done by update command. A rollback basically it reverts the changes performed by the transaction. It roll back the entire transaction. For example, if after commit, if I have done 3 or 4 DML operations in a table, then entire transaction it rollbacks. Okay. Now we will see third command, that is save point. Save point basically is a point in a transaction where you can roll the transaction back to a certain point. Without rolling back to entire transaction, we can roll back to a certain point. Here I am updating a row. After this I am making a save point and save point name. You can give any name after save point. You can see one row updated and save point created. After this I am doing again updation in the table. I am changing the city where ID equals to 3. After this I am making again a save point B. Save point created. Now if I want to roll back a transaction to a certain point. You can see city has changed now, but now I only want the ID1 updated row. So it is safe to use save point after DML operations. Then you can roll back to a certain point, roll back to A. Rollback complete. Now we will check the table. You can see after save point A, all the DML operations have rollbacked. And what is the difference between three commands, commit, rollback and save point? Commit is used to save the transactions permanently. Rollback is used to undo the transaction entirely. And save point is a point where you can roll back your transaction to a certain point. Thanks for watching.